Form, let me read it again. Number 50 says, given the cube root of the square of 38.32 times 2.964 over 8.6332 times 6.285. So, number log working. Whenever you have two numbers in the denominator, you will always have a third rule. Okay? So this is going to be 38.3, 2.96. This will be my numerator. 8.64 as I'm rounding off as I go, and this will be 6.29. This will be denominator, right? And then we have the working there. So the next part will be the square, okay? And then we're going to finish off the rest over there. So normally this would take another piece. All right, you put it your one in another section, which I will place on that side, okay? All right. So here, let's go to our three-figure table. 38.3 is 3.83 times 10 to the first, so there will be a 1. And 2.96 is 2.96 times 10 to the 0, so there's a 0 there. And in my three-figure, 3.8 on the primary column, 3 in the primary row, meeting together at 583. Then 2.9 in the primary column, 6 in the primary row is 471. And we'll do the same here. So both of these are zeros. 0 is characteristic because they don't exceed 9. So 8.6 on the primary column, 4 on the primary row, and they meet at 937, and 6.2 on the primary column, 9 on the primary row is 799. Okay, so we don't need the three-figure for a while after this until we gonna anti-log. Okay, so 3 and 1 is 4. Yeah. 8 and 7 is 15. 5 and 1 is 6 and 4 is 10. And 2. Then 7 and 9 is 16. 6 carry 1. 9 and 1 is 10 and 3 is 13. 3 carry the 1. 10 and 7 is 17. 7 carry the 1, which becomes the characteristic. Now we will subtract. So 4 minus 6 cannot go. I'll borrow. 14 minus 6 is 8. Right? 4 minus 3 is 1. 0 minus 7 cannot go. I'll borrow. 10 minus 7 is 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. But remember, here we're squaring, so I have to put the 2. Okay? So let me continue here. Number, log. I'm going to put this small because there's not really going to be anything there. And this will be the cube root part after I square. So I'll be dividing there. So 2 times 8 is 16. 6 carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2 and 1 is 3. And 2 times 3 is 6. So I have 3 dividing into 0.636. And I'll divide. So 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 6 is 2. 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into 6 is 2. So I will antilog.
Sir.
I'm going to antilog 0.212. So I go to my primary column, 0.21, primary row 2, and I get 1.63 to 3 significant figures.